say Castle of Narin because Narin is an Arabic word which means fire. They call Castle of Narin because never conquered by enemies. So this castle was built around 4,500 years ago. At the first time it started building two fellows called Madian dynasty, and come here one of the kings from Madian.
Impresionante la fortaleza de Tachén. Es la vista desde acá, desde la fortaleza. El año de historia en un ratito. Increíble, ¿no? Cuánta historia que tiene Irán, por favor.
Years ago, eroded around 85 years ago. Because for 5,000 people during the summer. The kind of the local carpet, but textured by cartoon. The look has two different colorful sides, but you can pattern inside by moving up and down two of these pieces. And the name of this structure is the shilit. Shilit is a kind of the control system for pattern. Two kind of zero is most famous. This one of them is cypress, like a cypress. The second one is